Halloween is supposed to be scary, but not this scary.
You know what's worse than your intro?
What?
These costumes.
That's not very nice.
This dirty laundry. I don't even recognize
It's a
anyone.
rainbow. Oh, they're a box of crayons. They're a box of crayons.
Wait, who are we looking at?
Oh,
Drew.
It's Drew.
Drew.
It's Drew.
Wait.
Is this a veil?
Oh, it's a box of crayons, and there's Drew.
Are you guys Skittles? Oh, is that not what it is?
Reed, look closely.
The colors
Look
of the
at them-
rainbow.
look at
Oh,
the middle.
Crayola.
Yes.
I love this concept, and I love the fact that even though Drew was like 8 years old in this picture, she still is like rocking the most vibrant look of all.
Drew, you look like Regina George from Mean Girls. Or her mom. She looks like Regina George's mom.
She's Tickle Me Pink. She's Jocelyn's crayon color.
Stop everything.
What?
How did she know?
That is meta.
That is weird.
I don't know what meta means.
Did you know that Jocelyn named the Tickle Me Pink crayon? And here Drew is wearing the Tickle Me Pink crayon outfit, and it all just comes full circle.
Isn't it crazy that naming crayons is a job?
I think it was like my sophomore year of high school, and my friend group was like, yo, let's just do a group costume. And we're like, there's like 15,000 of us, what can we possibly do? And we're like, let's just be crayons. So we all just wore all one color, so I was the pink crayon, obviously.
I think it's really hard to get women to show up, like a group of women to be anywhere on time, let alone all coordinated.
That's very true.
Right? I think this is not a fail. Drew,
This looks like Spirit
job.
Day.
Yeah. I don't know why this is a fail. I feel like having this many people coordinate is a lot of work.
Absolutely, and they all had to agree on a color. They also had to pick a team leader, which is the girl in the yellow that says Crayola. So like there obviously was a lot of thought that went into this. She was, you know, that girl was like, it was her idea for sure.
She's
She's
like,
like,
also, I'll be
my
in the middle.
mom already bought the t-shirts. The yellow one says Crayola, that one's mine.
Everyone else is like, I'm gonna wear a t-shirt, and Drew's like, I'm gonna go for the head to toe look.
It just makes me really jealous because I want to be in our juicy sweatsuits.
I think this is my worst or like my mistake, because I'm such a hardcore Halloween fan.
Yeah.
And like this was so lazy, it's such a lazy costume. I'm like, whack.
Yes, Erin, when she was blonde.
You love that.
I think she looks so good in any hair color. She's got one of those faces and skin tones.
Who's that?
That is Aaron
Robinson?
and I am not sure what that costume is.
That's not Aaron Robinson, that's Mandy Moore.
Wait, is this a costume Aaron's wearing, or just this looks like what I used to wear every night in
This
college?
just looks like vampy Erin, like, ooh, I'm going out for a night on the town.
Is this a costume or like a Friday night? What's happening? I can see your bra.
The eyebrows are so thin, the highlights are so chunky, the shirt is so see-through.
What is she supposed to be?
I don't know, witchcraft or
Yeah,
like a
like
Sephora
maybe out-
worker.
If you had to guess who I was, what would you guess?
Slutty superhero.
Ooh, close.
Britney Spears.
Yes,
Oh,
Britney Spears.
That was a reach.
This is Britney Spears at the MTV VMAs.
I don't know about this costume, but let's talk about the
Erin.
lace. Is she supposed to be Britney Spears or who is she?
Erin, you look amazing, but I feel like you're in is this the Addams Family?
She's Buffy the Vampire Slayer, I think.
But Brittany the Vampire Slayer.
Oh, that is not cute.
Okay, Billy Bob, let me borrow your banjo.
Oh my gosh! Okay, first of all,
I have
Emil
so many
already had
thoughts on
muscles.
this.
Why?
Oh yeah, damn Emil.
How long ago was this? Because he has muscles.
This was like last year.
Yeah.
What is this costume? What is this called?
I'm
Banjo
unsure.
Player?
Is this a character or like I'm a country bumpkin?
He's a banjo player. He's a hippie. He's a homeless
He's
hippie.
missing a tooth.
What were you supposed to be?
I was a black hillbilly.
It's like, this is cousin It from the backwoods of Mississippi.
Is this like Emil's long lost relative?
Where does one get a banjo?
There's a story. I went to a small school in North Georgia,
Okay.
predominantly white, and my roommate was white too, and he said, wouldn't it be a great idea to swap closets, and so you grab stuff from my closet, I grab stuff from your closet. So in the background, you see my roommate on the left, he's wearing my clothes, he was tall too, and then
So
I'm
your
wearing,
roommate wore that in real life.
yes, those were his items, yes.
Is that
Is that
Lily?
Liz?
Wait a minute. That just looks like a miniature Lily now.
Lily!
Oh,
I
this isn't a
immediately
fail,
knew.
this is actually cute.
I think it's hella cute.
This is her spiky hair phase, which she hates talking about, but I don't know, it really works for this costume.
It's really cute. She looks like a tiny boy.
So who is she? Edward Scissorhands?
I think this is like when Hot Topic had like a sale going on. I don't know what this inspiration is though. I feel like
Skater boy?
Hot Topic customer.
Hot Topic customer. Oh yeah, the old Hot Topic customer.
Customer, I know.
It like doesn't even look like a costume.
Yeah, it just looks like a young, like, preteen
Rebel phase.
filled with angst.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Love that word. Say it again.
Angst.
I really don't know how to categorize what I was.
She looks like she's like 12 years old.
Definitely.
I think maybe she's supposed to be like goth.
Avril Lavigne.
What color hair is that? Is this the beginning of
It was
your hair
we, like,
revolution?
spray painted it all black, but it was short and spiky. It was super trendy. I won best hair in 8th grade.
She looks like a 12-year-old little boy.
I know, it's cute.
It's
I love
really
it.
cute.
She's really excited about her costume too.
Jocelyn, stop trying to pretend like this is a Halloween
This is
costume.
not a Halloween costume. This is for a skit.
This was you like yesterday messing around in the green screen room by yourself.
I like that Jocelyn had no fails in her life, so we had to create one very recently.
Wait, is this Halloween?
Was this her earlier
No.
today?
This was like her last week.
She put a wig on? Is she supposed to be Donald Trump?
This is when Clevver was so poor and we were so deep in a garage that I would wear the same shirt backwards, forwards, inside out. I would take one shoulder off and show it. And this was my costume because this is all we could afford. And I was Justin Bieber.
Oh, she's Bieber.
Jocelyn.
I didn't see that either. I didn't see that
I
either.
like her lack of commitment to Bieber.
I think she's Justin Bieber, but she looks like Diane Sawyer, like about to give the world news.
She looks like Jocelyn with a blonde wig on.
This is not Halloween. I'm sorry. I need to get confirmation that this is an actual Halloween photo because
We're not buying it.
no.
Do I look like Justin Bieber here?
No.
Also,
You're
I
kind of like Kate Gosselin.
feel like, oh gosh, I also feel like I probably would have worn this last week.
I mean, I literally had the same wig on yesterday.
Okay, this is a pretty cool costume.
Wait, the question is, does she carry the cone around with her to all the parties? Like, was she like,
Right.
just so you know, like, I'm a cone?
I used to have a collection of cones I had to get rid of when I moved in with my husband.
How'd that make you feel?
Lonely.
If you don't know, Lauren has a history of stealing traffic cones.
She does.
Yes, that's like a known thing, I thought. Maybe I just know that.
I did
but-
not know that.
So it makes sense that she would have dressed up as one and then also stolen one. I feel like yours wasn't a fail. I think
mean,
you
mine-
look like a traffic cone.
Mine was a great costume. The DIY, the craftiness of it was
You
great.
committed.
But it's like, who dresses like a traffic cone?
You.
Yeah.
Yeah, I expect that from you.
I'm actually really proud of that costume. I just wanted to show it.
Oh, is this you, Miriam?
Nope.
Are you dressed as like a candy mistress?
Oh,
Oh,
Miriam.
That's great.
Is it?
Katy Perry.
Are you a sexy lollipop?
Kind
Is
of.
that what you are?
I was Katy Perry. Kind of the same.
Oh.
Miriam.
Okay, I remember this costume. This was actually Miriam's Latin Grammys dress. She didn't have a Halloween costume, so she's like, I'm gonna throw it on and put some lollipops on the boobs.
Wait, so this
and-
was a real dress
Yeah,
she had
she
in her
wore
closet?
this to the Latin Grammys maybe like 5 years ago. And then she didn't have a Halloween costume. She's like, I'm gonna be Katy Perry and I'm just gonna put some candies on them, which was kind of genius.
Is it like a Katy Perry costume?
It's Katy
or
Perry.
is
I
it, like,
remember this. Boobs.
pretending to. That's how you know.
Well, I remember this day. She had so much duct tape down there.
Look at those boobs, though. That's cute. What,
Why
those
is
come from
this-
Party City? Have I been like not shopping at the right place?
It's a different section.
Definitely a fail. Costume fail for sure.
No, your boobs are so far from being a fail.
Oh my gosh, Naz.
She is thick.
I am jealous. I'm very jealous.
This is just a standard college costume.
I think this is really cute. Are you coming over to like clean my house in this? Is
or are
this,
you like a
sexy
tap
maid?
dancer? I can't really tell.
Oh my gosh, maybe she's like a chimney sweep.
Oh, Hoochie Mama. Is
This
you?
is the most mortifying. I was a pimp, and that is a cane in my hand. And I remember walking with a limp.
You're so tan and so cute, and you're wearing underwear as pants, which is always a cute look. Just like a pimp, like an authentic pimp.
Yeah.
This is how they
The
dressed.
only thing that's committing a crime about this outfit is that hat. That hat girl's gotta go.
It's
The
like,
only pimp thing about this costume is a cane.
is that a cane or a scepter? I'm not really sure, but I like it.
And the award for the most basic Halloween costume.
Shimona
Sinead. Our friend Sinead.
What is she
Girl,
supposed to be?
What is this?
Wow, I don't know what this is, but she's got Uggs on, and it looks funny. Sinead's just running an errand right now with her Uggs and her little mini dress.
Sinead is looking for her pumpkin spice latte because you are basic.
Okay, Sinead, what are you? basic. Were you basic?
Wait, what is she supposed to be?
I don't know.
Okay,
maybe she's like the traffic stop people.
Well, why she got Uggs on with the black dress?
She's a crossing guard.
She's the flight attendant for sure.
She's
Exit.
the flight attendant. Got it. This is a flight attendant dress. You can't really see, but there are like patches from the plane.
Did you make this dress or did you buy it at Party
No,
City?
you bought it from Party City in those prepackaged ones, and it's like Leg Avenue or whatever, and it's got like the plain patches, and it had like this little thing, this little bow. But I did think that this was acceptable to wear as a female out on Halloween.
That's not a costume. That's like what she wore yesterday.
She's wearing a skirt that's about to show her vagina and Uggs. So this was definitely in the 2005.
Sinead, this isn't a costume. This is what you wear every Thursday night.
I got out of the car to take this picture in a Wendy's parking lot, which is why you can see the drive-thru right there in the background. In Wendy's parking lot, and then I got some Wendy's, and then I went home.
Oh, what a night. Not a fail. It's a success.
No, that's not Tracy.
I think it's Tracy. Is it Tracy?
Oh my God, Tracy's baby fat is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I just want to eat it.
Tracy! There's never been a picture on this show of Tracy that is not just like warmed my insides.
Is she like an underwear monster? Or
I'm
these
really
underwear?
unsure. I don't think it matters.
She looks like she is a beauty guru on YouTube.
Yeah, she looks like when I tried to contour.
Is she a medical patient? What's on her
I
head?
think it's underwear.
I want to say I was a doll, and actually I knew I was a doll. And the hat didn't fit, so my mom was like, put some undies on your head. That'll be cute. And those
Are
always
those underwears?
fit. Those are underwear.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you. I wasn't gonna ask you, but I was gonna tell
Ask
you.
me anything, I'm open book.
I was gonna tell you that your hat kind of looks like little girl panties.
Yeah, those were medium-sized girl panties, and they were on my head.
She's wearing panties on
Looks
her
like
head?
comfortable underwear, like cotton, big.
Do
I like
you,
that.
girl, do you?
What is up with the chicken pox size
Yeah.
freckles on your face? Did you do your own makeup?
That's right. Yeah.
Well, I think it's cute. I think
you.
it's really cute. How old are you in this picture?
22.
No, this is Vivian.
Vivian's the little one?
You are so good at this.
I don't know how I'm good at
I'm
this.
the one that has worked with these people for like 7 years. You're so good at this.
I hate clowns, but I love these little clowns.
They look adorable.
Everything about this picture is terrifying.
Yeah, it's really creepy. Can you imagine she comes up to you and she's like, you'll float too.
Not just Vivian, I'm talking about the huge ass Hello Kitty.
The little kid came running towards me on Halloween with that makeup. I would probably run away screaming.
I think
But,
it's a fail
you know,
because she's wearing a weird wig and you can see her bangs.
I was a little obsessed with clowns. First
You
of all,
were obsessed with clowns?
I liked clowns. Why is everyone so afraid of them? I think clowns are cool.
Clowns are scary.
First of all, my hair was not tucked in correctly into the wig.
Yeah, that is a fail right there. If you're wearing a wig, you got to put all your hair up in it.
I don't know who did my makeup, but it literally looks like I just made out with Ronald McDonald because it's all smeared.
I don't even think this is that big of a fail.
I don't think so either.
I mean, I think the lesson learned for us is that like nobody fails on Halloween if you're a
No,
child.
especially, yeah, exactly. I don't even know how you can fail.
Viv was always such a cute little nugget, though. Look at that smile.
And not many children are like down to be like hugging and like embracing a mysterious creature. Viv looks really into
her
it.
wig's not even on her head at
That's because
all.
she's so thrilled to be by Hello Kitty.
Zoe! Thing one and thing two.
This isn't a fail.
What is she?
She's thing one from Dr. Seuss.
It's only a fail because there's only one of them and there's supposed to be two.
Right. And she looks like she's looking for the second one.
Yeah, she's like, where's my friend?
So this was actually not my onesie. This belonged to a boy who lived on my freshman floor in college. And every time I needed a costume, I would need an excuse to use this. So I've used this for many costumes.
Zoe, you're thing one, but your thing two is about to show.
If it's a fail, it's because I can see her bits.
Ooh. I mean, I guess that depends on who you ask.
Like,
that's a
Halloween
fail.
is the one night of the year you're allowed to show your bits.
The costume's not that weird. It's more of the stance that I'm concerned about.
The stance is very inviting.
It's very sumo wrestler.
That's a thing you want to be around.
And is she not wearing shoes? Why is she not wearing shoes?
This is like when you just want to wear a onesie for Halloween.
Okay.
Okay, Emil, who had the best fail?
I would say our good friend Sinead because I don't know what in the actual world that was.
I don't even know what you were, so that's a fail because I can't tell what costume you're wearing, if you're wearing a costume, if you're conscious, I don't know.
My best fail and my worst fail, Erin Robinson.
You know what?
Because she looked crazy and she looked cute, she looked hot, and we had no idea what she was supposed to be. She's supposed to be Britney Spears. No, but I would pay her to do my makeup.
Yeah. I think my best fail is Aaron Robinson too, because of the fact that there was no way we would have ever come to the conclusion that she was Britney Spears.
And she's also doing that suck-in face, like she's sucking in her tummy really tight, and like it makes her head like a little bit bigger, which is my favorite.
My favorite fail was Emil because I had no idea what was going on.
My favorite fail is Sinead because it's not a costume, hence it's a fail.
Favorite fail on 3. 1, 2, 3. Sinead! Yes!
Yes, that was the
Sinead,
worst.
girl, you gotta do better than that. Come on. What was that costume? What was that costume?
My favorite fail, I feel like it's got to go to Tracy Stump. She's such a legend.
It always goes to Tracy. We don't know what she failed at, but she failed. So.
And I feel like for Tracy, the adolescence period was her strongest. Prime moment. She's
peaked.
Yeah.
Who's your least favorite?
Well, since Jocelyn's not here, I'm gonna say Jocelyn.
Jocelyn.
We don't even know what she is.
No, she just showed up and grabbed some wig underneath someone's dusty desk and put it on and called it a costume. She's that girl. She's that girl at your Halloween party that you're like, who are you? And she's like, oh, I didn't have a costume. And you're like, that's lame.
All right, you guys, those are some of our biggest fails so far.
Yeah, because like if Snapchat was around, we probably would have had a lot worse ones. But let us know who failed the worst or the best. Let us know in the comments below who your favorite was.
And don't forget to subscribe for more Halloween goodness every single day.
I really need to stop doing that.
You do. For more Clever Style, click that box over on the left to see us transformed into our favorite YouTubers. Or click that box over on the right to see us break down our best costumes ever on Dirty Laundry.